You ever have that feeling where you're not sure if you're awake or still dreaming?
All the time.
Yeah, I do actually. Got a beer coming fast. Cheers. Thank you for doing this.
You ever have that feeling
All the time. Mountain bikes rule, roadies suck.
Do you have any comment on the size of the cassette?
You could eat a big plate of spaghetti bolognese off it.
Now you're a mountain biker, hey? So you're not offended by that?
No way, not at all.
That's awesome.
It is pretty offensive for a road bike rider,
Good.
primarily, yes.
Good. That's exactly the reaction that I'm hoping
I am
for.
offended, yes.
Stu, happy birthday. you can pick anything that you want from in this room.
Are there any mountain bikes?
There are mountain bikes here, but it's only one brand.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, as the father of a sponsored rider, I can't touch this rubbish. Yeah. But if you want to ride Specialised, then I'll leave it to you. It's all yours, mate.
Hello, Mark.
How are you?
Good to see you. How are you?
How excited are you?
Very excited. I've got something to show you here. You need to give me your first reactions.
I like. Wow.
Something different.
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, look at it.
Well, I mean,
Just looks.
I think it looks great. I'm not sure it fits with the road bike theme.
Hey, I'm all for doing something new.
Something different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You ever have that feeling where you're not sure if you're awake or still dreaming?
All the time.
Yeah. What do you think, Tommy?
It's not a mountain bike wheel.
Mr. Chairman, thanks for coming down to see the build.
Certainly had to make an appearance.
I've got something that I'd like to show you. Could you pick up that rim behind you over there and tell me what you think of it? First impressions.
Fast. There's a certain DA time. There could be a sub 7 DA on the cards.
Tell you what, it would be nice to do sub 8.
Huh?
That would be nice.
Very nice, Rob.
Thank you, thank you.
Amazingly quiet.
So, Nathan, what do you think? You've built a lot of bikes. Is it too much, hey? That rear cassette?
No, it's not too much, because if you ride it and you love it, that's all that matters.
That's all that matters.
There's a chance that maybe the shift between that one and that one
would be quite
might
big,
not be
eh?
the most perfect shift.
No.
But I could be wrong.
Yeah,
These guys might design something that shifts
That's the thing.
100% perfect.
You don't know until you try, eh? Yeah. That's my thinking as well.
I think we're all treading into new territory.
New territory.
I wish Dan could build my bikes.
Dan, how was that?
Pretty good. Yeah,
Well
long
done,
day,
mate.
but,
Thank you.
Good way to finish it.
It looks
Enjoy
brilliant. It looks great.
Enjoy
Dan,
it.
thank you. You're a legend. Thanks so much, eh? That's great. Happy customer. Bob,
So cute. Yeah.
what do you think of what it is that Dan's got over there? What are your first thoughts? Just say anything that comes into your mind.
I'm speechless. It's not often
What you?
more expensive than a mistress right now.
No,
That's what I
come
think.
on. That's cheaper than a mistress, and it's cheaper than a kitchen.
Oh, please, don't even bring my kitchen into this.